Hello, dear friends. I welcome you again in our YouTube channel Oral Pathology Ready Reckoner with histopathological aspects of connective tissue and mixed odontogenic tumors. Odontogenic fibroma is histopathologically composed of widely scattered thin strands and islands of inactive odontogenic epithelium, which closely resembles to dental lamina. Some lesion shows presence of foci of spherical dystrophic calcifications, dentine and bone, while the connective tissue stroma is fibrocellular and gives resemblance to the cells of dental follicle. Sometimes this stroma can be rich in ground substance and gives a fibromyxoid appearance. So histopathologically, odontogenic fibroma is characterized by presence of inactive odontogenic cords and nests, calcific deposits, and mixed collagenous loose connective tissue stroma. Next tumor is odontogenic myxoma, which histopathologically shows presence of widely separated spindle and angular shaped cells in a background of mucoid non-fibrillar ground substance, but can also show fine strands and collagen and blood vessels with zone of hyalinizations. Some myxomas also can show small islands of inactive odontogenic epithelium. Next tumor is ameloblasthic fibroma, which is a true benign mixed odontogenic tumor. Microscopically, it shows presence of small strands, cords, and islands of proliferating odontogenic epithelium. These strands resemble to dental lamina, while the island shows at the periphery ameloblast-like cells and within the center few stellate reticulum-like cells. Surrounding connective tissue is composed of round, angular, and spindeloid ectomesenchymal cells resembling dental papilla. Thin, delicate collagen fibrils can be seen in between these high cellular ectomesenchymal components. So, ameloblastic fibroma is histologically marked by the presence of proliferating odontogenic epithelium as well as the odontogenic ectomesenchyme. Next tumor is ameloblastic fibroodontoma, which shows irregularly shaped dentine deposits, enamel matrix, and odontogenic epithelium against a background of a fibrillar connective tissue containing randomly oriented spindle cells. So, ameloblastic fibroodontoma histologically marked by the presence of a soft tissue component which is resembling to ameloblastic fibroma and a hard tissue component of complex odontoma. Next mixed tumor is compound odontoma, which is mostly considered as a hematoma rather than a neoplasm. Histopathologically, it shows presence of dentine, cementum, demineralized enamel, pulp tissue, arranged in tooth-like structures in a very orderly and organized pattern. These tooth-like structures are separated by a thin connective tissue. However, mature enamel is lost during the decalcification process and can be seen as the enamel spaces into the hematoxylin and eosin stained sections. Next odontogenic tumor is complex odontoma, which is also a type of odontoma that is also considered as a hematomatous proliferation. Microscopically, it reveals conglomerate structures of dental tissues, which shows irregular spaces containing residual elements of enamel matrix, normal enamel, surrounded by septa of dentine interspersed with occasional areas of pulpal tissues and cementum. So, complex odontoma is marked by the irregular form, disorganized mixture of dental hard structures with pulp tissue. Thank you so much for being with us. If you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. We'll meet you soon again in next video.